In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ERPNext. Having a clear, recognizable profile picture makes it easier for your team to identify you across the system, especially in comments, assignments, and approvals. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of updating your profile photo step by step, so you can personalize your account in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and that you are on any main page, such as the dashboard or accounting module. In the upper right corner of the screen, look for your profile icon. This might appear as your initials inside a small circle, or it could be an existing photo if you've set one before. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with a few options related to your user account. From that drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled My Settings. This will take you to your personal user settings page. Here, you can manage basic details about your account, such as your full name, email, language preferences, and of course, your profile picture. Take a moment to confirm that you're on your own user profile and not someone else's, especially if you have administrative access. On the My Settings page, look for the section that displays your current profile image or initials. Right below or beside that image area, you should see a button or link that says Change and Upload. Click on this option to begin updating your profile picture. When you do this, ERPNext will usually open a file picker window from your computer. Now choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. For best results, select a clear front-facing photo where your face is centered and well lit. Square or nearly square images usually look better in circular profile frames. Once you've selected the file, confirm your choice so it can upload into ERPNext. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment. After the upload is complete, you may see a preview of your new image. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your updated profile picture will now appear in the top right profile icon and throughout the system wherever your user profile is shown. If you ever want to change it again, just return to your profile icon, go back into My Settings, click Change and Upload, and repeat the same process.